What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rough, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Wishing you all a very happy new year. Welcome to 2018. This is going to be a huge year for cryptocurrency, a huge year for you to get debt-free, to start earning a passive income that will continue to grow and give you financial freedom. I hope you all enjoyed the past 10 tip videos. Over the last couple days, we did a really fun Bitcoin giveaway. Today, we will see who the winner of the $100 Bitcoin giveaway is. But before that, I want to take a look at DAVORCOIN. So let's take a first look at the website right now. So DAVORCOIN, very similar to BitConnect from what I understand. DAVORCOIN is a new cryptocurrency which aims to become the best alternative to current popular coins such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is digital public money created by complex mathematical computations. Alright, so very similar to Bitcoin using blockchain technology. It was a brand new ICO that just released this November, had a lot of success, and they've just released a cool exchange and a lending program very similar to that of BitConnect. You can totally check out their white paper on their website. Very cool, secure, decentralized, and transparent. It is using the script algorithm, the same as Litecoin. Very interesting to see, with a new block being created every 120 seconds and the difficulty going up with every block. There is a staking reward for holding the coin, 10% monthly for the first 6 months. Very cool. Minimum staking time 1 hour, maximum staking time unlimited, and COINBASE maturity 15 blocks. Max supply 40 million, and coins pre-mined 10 million. So it has a limited supply, meaning that these coins will be worth more the longer you hold them as more interest goes up. That's what you want to look for in a good ICO, a good coin. So how do DAVORCOIN holders make money? What you can do is you can sign up on their website, DAVOR.io, buy the DAVORCOIN, and you can either lend it using their lending program. You can stake your coins, holding them long term and get earning reward for holding. You can trade their coins back and forth with Bitcoin to earn money, and there is an affiliate program as well. So hopping over to my login page, just taking a look here at the last couple days percentages. Today we're looking at a 1.07% on the lending program. So very similar to BitConnect in the sense where you can lend them some money in the form of DAVORCOIN for a period of time, and they give you daily interest on your capital invested. So looking at the interest the last 6 days here, very awesome, very impressive to see these high interest rates. Obviously attracting new customers, very new, just launching this last December, and a lot of people have had a lot of success with it. Obviously it's newer. I went ahead and bought a few DAVORCOIN, currently holding a little over 2 coins. I want to make my first lend today with you guys here on this video. Taking a look at DAVORCOIN, it is currently in CoinMarketCap, which is a good sign. You can see here the increase they've had in the last month, coming from a price of $20 to currently the coin sitting just at about $60 a coin, right under $60. On their website, you're seeing the coins right now have a worth of $60.56. Let's go ahead and do our very first DAVORCOIN lend, starting us on this journey. So let's go ahead and start the lend here. Very similar look to BitConnect. You can do lends of 100 to 1,000, 101 to 5,000, and so on, giving you that daily percent bonus. But what I notice is very cool is you can lock in your capital a little bit longer, which we're gonna do. I'm fine with locking it in an extra 120 days to get an extra little percentage boost even on a small loan. So let's go ahead and see how much we can do. I believe we can do about $130, putting us in this first bracket from $100 to $1,000. Release back after 299 days. There is an auto reinvestment button, but I want to start doing reinvest to show you my progress on videos, so we're not going to click that. But I do want to use this optional capital lock boost. I'm going to do an extra 120 days just to get that plus 0.1% every single day. Here is my very first $130 DAVORCOIN investment. Success, lending successful. Right here, right away, we see I have $130 lent in with a 0.1% bonus. Obviously up here you see the lending wallet and the DAVORCOIN wallet right there. Still a little bit left over. Release date will be February 24th, 2019. Obviously over a year with that extra 120 days added onto it. I'm totally fine with that, especially if this is going to be earning me over 1% a day on average, between 1 and 2%. I think the average is actually 1.74% every single day. A lot of people have tested it out. They pulled out money. So if you guys are interested in signing up, I will put a link down below for you guys to go ahead and sign up to join my team. Let's give it a chance, guys, taking a little bit of risk here in 2018 to grow our passive income. If you've watched my tip videos, you know I talked about diversifying your investments. So we're holding Bitcoin, we're holding Litecoin, we're holding Ripple, we're holding Cardano, we're involved in BitConnect, we're involved in HashFlare mining, Genesis mining, and DAVORCOIN. Now slowly diversifying our cryptocurrency portfolio, which cushions the blow if anything were to go down. I don't think it will. 2018 is going to be an amazing year for cryptocurrencies. So now to get to the point you've all been waiting for all of you who are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for joining in on the giveaway videos these last couple days. Let's go over and see what the winning video is. So if we pop on over to YouTube here, you will see these 11 videos starting here at the 2000 in BitConnect loans plus the 100 Bitcoin giveaway all the way up to the 31st. So from the 21st to the 31st, I released 11 videos and I will be picking one of those videos out of the hat today. I've got a hat here, as you can see, filled with the different names. I'm going to pick blindly the winning video. All right, December 30th. Right there you have it. The winning video is tip number 9. Let's go ahead and head on over to the winning video here. All right, let's go ahead and pull the link URL. Let's see how many of you commented. Over 85 likes, 134 comments. Let's head over here to our YouTube random comment picker to see what the winning comment is going to be. Let's load up our video here for you. Amount of unique commenters, 131. Let's go ahead and start the raffle. And who will be the winner of our $100 Bitcoin giveaway? Justin Knox. Litecoin buy on the dips. I agree. Litecoin is one of my top cryptocurrencies for 2018. Justin, congratulations. You just won $100 worth of Bitcoin. I hope that you are surprised, and I wish you a very happy new year, Justin. I agree. Litecoin's awesome. Maybe with this money you can buy some Litecoin or invest in a site like DAVORCOIN. So let's go ahead and copy your Bitcoin address here. So let's go ahead and head over to our blockchain wallet to send you your Bitcoin, and we're going to send you $100 worth of Bitcoin. We actually have a little more, so let's give you $110 worth of Bitcoin, taking care of any type of fees. Let's make sure we can send this over faster. Congrats on winning the Bitcoin giveaway. I'm super excited to be able to bless you all, sending you guys Bitcoin or amounts of cryptocurrency to help you get started in the cryptocurrency game. This is just a small thank you from me to you for all the new supporters. Thank you so much. So here you go, Justin. Here is your Bitcoin, and sending off right now. Your transaction is being confirmed. All right, thank you so much for entering to win, Justin, and a big thank you to everyone who entered to win. I know it was a lot of work commenting on all those videos, but I really hope that those 10 tips gave you some guidance here in 2018. For those of you who didn't know, from now on, I'm actually going to be giving away $10 worth of Litecoin every single day. So really excited to announce that. I did a vote on my Twitter if I should start giving away Ethereum or Litecoin come 2018, and the majority of voters wanted Litecoin. It was an 80% to 20%. So listening to you guys, my followers, my subscribers, we are going to start doing Litecoin giveaways every single day, giving away $10 worth of Litecoin. I hope you guys are excited about that. I don't know of any other channels doing Litecoin giveaways, so I hope that's something unique and fun for you guys. Like I said, Litecoin is a top cryptocurrency for me in 2018, and I hope that you will earn by holding and trading Litecoin this next year. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, for being a part of this channel. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, comment your Litecoin address down below, entering you to win $10 worth of Litecoin tomorrow. Like the video if you're excited about DAVORCOIN and want to try it. Like the video if you learned something new, and turn on those post notifications so that you won't miss a single video this year in 2018. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Wishing you a very happy and successful 2018. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow for another video.